I think we all know that this is the most prestigious journalism award in the country, and I mean this is as far as you can go. So it's one. I'm very happy. Also, it's an honor, and I think the story which for which the award is being given has a lot of meaning, not just for me but all of Mumbai city. Save RA movement was going on for the last 3-4 years, and in 2019, when the elections were about to take place in Maharashtra, this Save RA movement kind of peaked, and there were a lot of environmentalists, different political parties were involved, but I think that the big issue was about the environmental impact assessment report which was made. There were a lot of theories floating around, so I got a hunch and a lead about what exactly is written in the report. So that was the initial for me. The takeoff point was, let me get my hands on the report, and people are saying all kinds of things on social media. There is allegation, there's counter allegation, there's views and counter views. So I think my whole idea was to let me get my hands on what is written in black and white. The biggest challenge was to get access to the report, and like I said, this subject was being talked about almost on a daily basis by multiple other media, by politicians, by environmentalists. So things were all over the place. There was a lot of clutter and chaos as far as the Save RA movement was concerned, because I mean the stakes were really high. There is this mega metro project which is supposed to change the way how Mumbai travels. There was this big political face-off between the government and the opposition on where the car shed should take place. So I think the biggest challenge was to get this story out of the clutter and put the plain facts without any kind of no exaggeration and no sugarcoating. Get the facts out there in public domain. That was the biggest challenge for me, because there was a lot of documents. I think at least about 1,500 pages of documents about this particular car shed at the RA forest, because the documents had a history of almost 10 years. So to get a hang of the most important document in this entire investigation, which said that if you cut the trees inside the RA colony, this would affect the catchment area of the Mithi River. Mumbai International Airport will flood. I think that was the biggest challenge, to skim through everything and get that one particular document in public domain. There has been a huge impact, because like I said, a lot of things were being talked about, but this particular story put everything in perspective. So it was like the last nail in the coffin, and eventually the government changed. 2 months after the story, elections took place, the government changed, and the first thing that the new government did in December 2019 was to issue a stop work on the construction of the car shed at RA. And till today, the construction has been stopped, and the car shed is going to be moved to another location. So I think a lot of campaigns and movements happen, but this kind of very pinpointed wrongdoing, I think, was one of the big impact of this story.